The class that I teach is called Menu and Recipe Development.
The Innovation Kitchen in the Egg is a kitchen space that the students develop the restaurant concept as a group. They actually begin the work of developing the idea for the concept, and that idea encompasses not only menu and recipe class, but finance class, human resource class, and there's a lot of other classes that go along with it. All those different classes have a different part to the final opening of the restaurant in the Egg. So in figuring out what recipes ultimately get served down in the Egg, we start out with a brainstorming session to try to figure out what fits within the concept that the students have pitched to the judges. We do two types of recipes in the class. We do a consumer recipe, which is a recipe which teaches the students how to actually write a recipe, including the method. The students then take those consumer recipes and they'll expand those recipes to 50, 100, and 200 portions. We really have a goal of trying to keep the recipes to about 25% food cost. We'll finish that recipe in the kitchen, and then as a group, we taste it. We vote on it. The instructor, myself, doesn't vote unless I need to break a tie. It could be that we feel like something's not spicy enough or too spicy. Then it would have to be retested the next week. So it gets retested, we taste it again, we say, well, it's fine now, so then it has to go on for the next week. Another group or another student will retest that recipe to make sure it's exact. In the end, it's the student's restaurant, so they're accountable for their ideas, they're accountable for the flavor of their food, and they're certainly accountable for the cost of the food. And at the end of the semester, they have to develop a menu that actually could be rolled out to 50 units. That's the 30,000-foot perspective of this class, is they could take this idea, whatever it is, and they could translate that into a 50-unit concept.